Do you want to learn how to make sexy outfits for raves, cosplay, pole fitness, bar and restaurant workers, and even exotic dancers? I've been sewing sexy for over 30 years. I've made over 100 videos since 2016. Some of them were good and some of them were not so good. I've highlighted the ones that I really like in my playlist. Previously, I lived in Dallas, Texas, and I was a house mom at some of the gentlemen's clubs there. I sat in the dressing room and made custom garments for the girls. They would bring me different ideas by showing me pictures or letting me make patterns from the garments that they had. Years later, I opened up my own boutique and I got to sell my custom items and some other exotic wear. I ended up closing the store because internet killed local retail. After that, I had a successful Etsy store. I just got tired of sewing. Honestly, I would rather share my trade with you and show you how to assemble my sexy sewing pattern. Thank you for watching and supporting me through the years. And until next time, stay sexy. Bye.